welcome to SparkleBox. Have you watched this movie, Turbo? What is the animal in that movie? Snail, isn't it? So today I'm gonna show you a simple paper craft on a snail. We need 5 materials to make this craft, and they are A4 sheets, Fevicol, scissors, pencil and a sketch pen. Let's draw a circle on the sheet and then cut it. The body of the snail is ready. Now let's take a sheet of paper and then draw a face of snail on it and then cut it. Let's paste the eyes of the snail with a Fevicol. Your paper snail is ready. For more of such amazing DIYs, visit our website sparklebox.co.in and grab some interesting kits for yourself. Bye bye.